turn on the tap and it's always available. Water. However, fresh water is increasingly scarce. Climate change and a growing population stress our future water supplies. So preventing water loss is more and more important. Small leakages in water distribution networks can cause considerable losses over time, but are hard to detect and locate. That's why OASIN and 3S joined forces to innovate the water network and thereby improve savings. The key to it all? Remote monitoring and control. Water networks are structured in control zones with monitored flows. OASIN added an additional architecture of subsections to one of its zones controlled by valves. If irregular water consumption in the zone occurs, this indicates a leak. By strategically closing valves, OASIN narrows down the location of the leak to a specific subsection. The faster this process happens, the more water is saved. And that's where 3S comes in. Their innovative actuators enable OASIN to remotely control the valves instead of closing them by hand on site. Now valves are open and closed with a push of a button. The actuators do not require cabling for power or communications, do not require a chamber, and can be retrofitted onto existing valves too, without interrupting the supply. This way, OASIN locates leakages 50% faster, which means they reduce water loss by 50%. They also have much lower operational costs, as operators don't need to attend the valves physically. In the second phase project, pressure data evaluated by algorithms will speed up the process even more by pinpointing the leak directly. This complements perfectly with closing subsections. More benefits of smart water networks lie ahead, delivered by net monitoring of automated valves, such as automatic leakage localization, increased flexibility and resilience, no stagnant water, no high water temperatures, reduced operational cost, reduced emission, energy savings, and protection of critical infrastructure. Now, fast localization of small leakages is already here as a first step towards smart water networks of the future.